अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम चैप्टर 19 ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट जो पास्ट पेपर्स में क्वेश्चन आए हैं डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले आ जाते हैं एमसीक्यूज। द लार्वल एपिडर्मिस इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम क्लियर साइटोप्लाज्म। In plants, elongation of cells is favored by red light. Cleavage result in the formation of rounded, closely packed mass of blastomere morula. Somites are formed and organized by mesoderms. In the cephalic end of the primitive tree, closely packed cells form local thickening known as Hansen's node. Yellow cytoplasm of Ascidian zygote give rise to muscles. Optimum temperature for growth of plants is 25 to 30 degree, which light enhance cell division and retard cell elongation. Blue. Cambium is a result of lateral meristem. Core cambium is an example of lateral meristem. The unspecialized cells present in flatworm and plain area are called neoblasts. Neoblasts are basically stem cells which are used in the process of regeneration. Regeneration का जो process होता है वो neoblast cells की वजह से होती है और neoblast mature stem cells को कहा जाता है. The removal of apex release the lateral buds from the apical dominant. It is called as compensatory effect. A condition in which the palatine process of maxilla and palatine fails to fuse is cleft palate. जबकि माइक्रोसेफेली जो है स्मॉल स्कल साइज़ को कहा जाता है. ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस जो है ओवरऑल जॉइंट्स की डिजीज़ है. इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ जॉइंट्स आर्थराइटिस में आ जाता है. द मेसोडर्मल सेल्स डू नॉट इन्वेजिनेट बट माइग्रेट मीडियली एंड कॉर्डली फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स एंड क्रिएट अ मिड लाइन थिकनिंग कॉल्ड प्रिमिटिव स्टिक. द प्लांट हार्मोन दैट इनहिबिट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ लेटरल शूट ऑक्सिन्स. विटामिन्स आर द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड synthesized within the plant bodies in the presence of light. Anything which interferes with the normal processes of development is the factor causing abnormality. Next आ जाते हैं short question. Define correlation and differentiation. Define regeneration. Describe gastrulation in chick. Define meristem. Give its type on the basis of position. Describe regeneration in plain area. Differentiate between the growth and development. Differentiate between the somatic and splenic mesoderm. Explain embryonic development. Explain primary induction. Give the role of gray vegetal and gray equatorial cytoplasm. How aging can be slowed down. How area opaca differ from the area pellucida. How primitive stick is formed in chick embryo. List some symptoms of aging. What do you know about the intercalary meristem? What is growth? Mention its types in plant. What is open growth? Discuss. What is primary organizer and inducer? What is present goal of gerontology? What is the difference between the inhibitory and compensatory effect? What role light play in plant growth? What about differentiation of cell? What is gastrosole and from which germs layer it originate? How final size of cells of cortex and tracheoid is attained in zone of maturation? Give the name of two sheets-like layers into which mesoderm splits and name the cavity formed between these. What are the important signs of old age in human? Define apical and intercalary meristem. What is blastoderm? Names its layer. Differentiate between the neurula and neurosole. Define primary organizer and primary induction. What are the internal factors which affect the process of growth? What is discoidal cleavage? Differentiate between the apical meristem and lateral meristem. Define growth. What do you mean by lateral meristem? What is the difference between the epiblast and hypoblast? Next आ जाते हैं long question. What is aging? Explain the process. Give causes and symptoms. Discuss different phases of plant growth. Discuss abnormal development. Explain different factors causing the abnormalities. Discuss the external factors affecting growth in plants. Write detailed note on regeneration. Describe the role of nucleus in development. Hopefully आपके लिए helpful होगा. Thank you.